Hi, today we are going to see how to use perfect face ratio on Instagram. First of all, go to Instagram, then go to your story mode, then open camera. After that, go to your effect. Then you can click on browse and effect. Here, in the right side, you can see a search option. Click on it. After that, write perfect face ratio. Then you can search from here. You can also try this and create your reel or story or post. So that's all about perfect face ratio on Instagram. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.